Hello, today is Tuesday and we are working on special vowel combinations. So when you log into your Google Classroom and click on spelling, if you look on Tuesday and you click on the slides that are in there for you, you're going to get two screens that look like this. It's the first screen's a sort. So you're going to just take the words, and we're working on special vowel combinations. So that means a vowel with two letters. And there's three kinds of two-letter combinations that combine with the vowel. And so it can be all different kinds of vowels, but it has to end in NG, NK, or LL. And so you're just going to sort based on those two letters. So you'll drag the letter under the ending that it has. So when you're done, you should be able to go down at the end of the word, make sure the first column has LL, the second column has NG, and the last column has, this one's an NG, it goes over here, I made a mistake. So that, I caught it by just checking them. So this column actually has to have an NK. So our NK words are going to go there. Double check that your NG words go in the right place. If you run out of room, just put them as close to the group of words as you can to what they went to go to. And then on the second column, I've given you some circles on the side, and you are going to circle the words that are marked correctly. So if they're not marked correctly, like call, whoops, I didn't mean to move that X. But if like call isn't marked correctly, you're not going to drag that one or circle that one because it's not marked marked correctly. The spring is marked correctly because has that three-letter S blend that's marked with an arc. The vowel is marked with an arc, and then the special vowel combination where the arc goes from under the vowel over to the consonant is marked. So remember, on special vowel combinations, you have to mark the vowel and then the other words as well. So this is what your spelling will look like today. You'll do the sort, then you'll drag circles on the words that are marked correctly. Remember, you're going to have more circles than what you need to mark that are correct. When you're done, show your computer to Miss Hackney. Good luck.